1. China is officially known as the People's Republic of China. 2. As of September 2023, China is the most populated country in the world with over 1.4 billion people, 1,439,323,776. This is based on Worldometer elaboration of the latest United Nations data. 3. Mandarin is not the only language in China. There are others such as Yue, Wu, Minbei, Minnan, Xiang, Gan, and Hakka. Some regions in China also have their own dialects. 4. China is considered a coconut culture. Chinese people present a stony, formal exterior, but they are actually as warm and welcoming as other cultures. Close friendships and relationships in China are earned over time compared to Western countries. 5. Family members living in one home is a reflection of Chinese success. Elders are highly revered in China. Younger generations are also expected to take care of their aging family members. They even have an elderly rights law. 6. The majority of Chinese people remember wars fought at home. History is deeply embedded in their educational system that even their Gen Z population knows Chinese history very well. 7. Fortune cookies did not